Hello and welcome to this latest social media video from Mills CNC, which focuses on one of our most popular and best-selling simultaneous 5-axis machining centres, the DN Solutions DVF 5000. Since its introduction back in 2018, the DVF 5000 has fast become a staple 5-axis machine tool solution for OEM and Tier 1 manufacturers through to precision subcontractors, not just in the UK and Ireland, but across the rest of the world too. In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at the DVF 5000 to understand why it has become the go-to machine for large and small component manufacturers alike, who are looking to improve their productivity and process efficiencies through one-hit machining. And we'll be doing this with the help of Ryan Lakin, one of Mills CNC's pre-sales engineers. Hi Ryan, thanks for joining us today. What we'd like you to do is introduce the DVF 5000 to our customers and highlight its key strengths and features.
No problem. The DVF 5000 is one model in the DN Solutions DVF range of 5-axis machining centres. Like all DVF machines, the DVF 5000 is equipped with a direct drive BT40 high torque oil-cooled spindle. This machine has a 12,000 RPM spindle, but an 18,000 RPM option is also available. In addition to its linear guides, the machine also has a 60-position automatic tool changer, an all-grease lubrication system, and integrated thermal compensation which ensures high part accuracies even during long periods of operation. The machine also features a 40 meter per minute rapid and a rigid trunnion-type 500mm diameter rotary tilting table with a 400 kg maximum table load. DVF 5000 machines can be supplied with FANUC, Siemens or Heinlein controls. This DVF model features the latest FANUC 31i Plus control system with a 15-inch touchscreen IHMI, which we'll be looking at in more depth in a future video. The DVF 5000 is a proven performer. It is a flexible machine ideal for 3+2, 4+1 or full 5-axis simultaneous machining. And the productivity of this machine can be increased still further through a range of automation options that include workpiece pallet changes and industrial and collaborative robots, all available from Mills CNC.
So there you have it, the DVF 5000, a simultaneous 5-axis machining centre that's flexible, powerful, fast and accurate. Now this machine is soon to be showcased at the Manufacturing Solutions Ireland event in June. So if you're going to the show, why not check it out whilst you're there? Of course, if you're not attending the event, why not give us a call on 01926 736 736 to arrange a visit to see the DVF 5000 in action here at our Customer and Visitor Centre in Leamington Spa.